Sharks have special organs called ampullae of Lorenzini that detect the tiny electrical fields produced by other animals. Penguin feet are also adapted to help the birds steer while swimming. They use their feet like rudders, angling them to help control direction. Crabs are arthropods with 10 legs, 5 pairs, including 2 big claws called pincers that help them catch food and protect themselves. Squids can change the color and pattern of their skin in milliseconds using special cells called chromatophores, helping them hide or communicate. Turtles have been on Earth for over 200 million years. They can live both in water and on land, depending on the species. Seals haul out on land or ice to rest and breathe. They can hold their breath for up to 30 minutes during deep dives. Jellyfish don't have a brain, heart, lungs, or bones. Instead, they have a simple nerve net that helps them respond to stimuli like light and touch. Sawfish have a long, flat snout called a rostrum, which looks like a saw. It has sharp, tooth-like structures called denticles on its sides. Cicadas spend most of their lives underground as nymphs and only come out for a few weeks to sing and mate. Their loud buzzing can be heard from far away and is made by vibrating membranes called tymbals. Sperm whales have the largest brain of any animal, up to 17 pounds, 7.8 kilograms. Caterpillars are the larval stage of insects in the order Lepidoptera, which includes butterflies and moths. Frogs live both in aquatic and terrestrial environments, often near freshwater. They can be found worldwide, with some species adapted to arboreal. Chameleons are lizards, famous for changing color to blend in or show their mood. They have long, sticky tongues to catch insects. Sea lions are carnivorous, feeding on fish, squid, crabs, mollusks, and sometimes penguins. Hermit crabs are crustaceans, but they're not true crabs. True crabs have hard, uniform shells, while hermit crabs rely on borrowed protection. Whales communicate through complex songs and calls, some traveling thousands of miles underwater. There are over 500 species of sharks worldwide, distributed across about 8 to 13 different orders, depending on classification. The largest land snail is the Achatina achatina, the giant African snail. Snails have no backbone. The dad seahorse is the one who has the babies. Seahorses swim upright, not side to side like most fish. They have curly tails they use to hold on to seaweed. Famous for Dory in Finding Nemo, blue tanks have sharp, venomous spines on each side of their tail used for defense. Some jellyfish glow in the dark, making the ocean look magical at night. The hammerhead family includes about 10 different species, from the small bonnethead shark to the massive great hammerhead. Penguins huddle together to keep warm when it's really cold outside. Baby penguins are called chicks and are covered in soft, fluffy feathers. Orcas are very fast marine mammals, capable of reaching speeds up to 35 miles per hour. Though classified as marine mammals, polar bears spend much of their time on sea ice. Walruses are large pinnipeds with distinctive long tusks used for defense, dominance displays, and hauling out on ice. Alligators are carnivorous and live along the edges of permanent bodies of water, such as lakes, swamps, and rivers. Clownfish create communities of various clownfish with specific roles. Anglerfish live in the deepest parts of the ocean, where there is no sunlight. This makes it challenging for them to find food. Pufferfish can move each eye in different directions, giving them a wide field of view to help watch for predators. Dolphins are super smart. They can solve problems and play games. They talk to each other with clicks, squeaks, and whistles. Dolphins jump high out of the water and love to surf waves.